Company delivers full interior solutions by working with the top architects and designers.
So innovation and design is always around us. We work with the top designers, the top architects, and they design the furniture, and we are the ones who are supposed to manufacture it. And sometimes their ideas are so crazy, which means that we need to become inventors ourselves. So the company is now mainly exporting to the Scandinavian market, and we actually focus on bigger projects because now we can actually deliver full interior solutions. Our company actually prefers B2B business model, but because we are focusing on creating homes very unique, and we are manufacturing very innovative furniture, we can't actually look away from the B2C business model as well. I believe that the key to success is having the best architects and the best designers around you. So Võru has always been known for the wood processing industry and furniture manufacturing, and that's why we have the know-how and the skilled people living here. So that's why it's a good place to start our furniture manufacturing company.